Guys, I'm Vikas. I'm a PT trainer here at Bangalore, India. Today I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips, I would say, or rather a tried and tested formula for you to be able to score full marks in PTE. If your aim is 60 or 79 plus or 90, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is just follow the a couple of tips that I've given you here. It involves you to do quite a bit of work, but it's rest assured that you will get good marks. Let's get started.
Alright guys, let's get started. So today we're going to quickly discuss some PTE score formula to get a 90 out of 90 or a 79 plus score, or possibly any score that you desire. Right, so here are some tips and tricks. I would rather say these are some tried tips or formula that I've used with most of my students that have been able to crack the PTE exam with full marks. Right, the very first the number one formula is, of course, practice. I know it's kind of obvious, right? But it's true that there is no substitute for hard work. You just have to practice and practice and practice. Take up multiple mock tests, guys. Like I've told you earlier, when you book your PT exams, make sure that you use a coupon use coupons who are also providers for free online mock tests. Right? Get them evaluated, understand your weak points, and work on them. Okay. Also, make sure that you understand how the scoring works. Now, if you are scoring low on the reason why I'm telling you this is because if you've gotten a low score on writing, and you only keep practicing essays and summarizing written text, there's no point. You will eventually get low marks again, because there are plenty of factors that attribute to writing scores. Like write from dictation is one such question type that contributes heavily to your writing marks. So make sure that you understand how the scoring works. You could have a look at one of my videos, that is scoring dependencies. That will give you a clear understanding as to how you should be gauging the scoring. Okay, and if you absolutely need to take professional help, please go ahead and do it. Do not hesitate. You might as well take professional help once and get the desired score you want than repeating the exam multiple times. Okay, now for those of you who are repeating your PT exam, remember to work on your weak points. Do not neglect them. Okay, so do not get demoralized. Understand your scorings. You have a look at your report, understand whether if you're scoring low on spellings or grammars or just the writing section, the speaking section. All right, just make sure you practice enough of it. All right, nervousness on the exam day is normal, so don't be worried about it. I would recommend if just try to chew gum just a couple of minutes before your exam. It tends to calm people down. One other tip that I've found useful with some of my students is I would recommend that you wear your lucky shirt, probably lucky jeans. Book the examination on an auspicious day. Do whatever, right? Do whatever that gives you a positive mindset or gives you a huge moral boost. Okay. And then I recommend most of my students to book their exams in the morning. That's because you have a fresh mind, and I also think that you're more relaxed during the mornings. Yes, and of course, don't forget to watch my videos. Now, I know these are quite a few points, but yes, of course, if you are able to follow all of them, it's certain that you will hit a 90 score with PTE. This is Vikas from PTE Lectures signing off. If you do have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will be more than happy to help you guys. I hope this was helpful. You guys have a great day. Thank you.